Want to delete a playlist on YouTube or clear out videos from your Watch Later list? In this video, I'll show you how to remove playlists. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the U tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal YouTube section, where you can access your history, downloads, and playlists. Now scroll down until you find the Playlists section. Here, you'll see playlists you created yourself, along with default playlists like Watch Later. Tap on the playlist you want to manage. If you're using the Watch Later playlist, YouTube currently does not include a single Remove All button inside the mobile app. So, to clear it, you'll need to remove the videos one by one. Next to each video, tap on the three-dot menu. From the options that appear, select Remove from Watch Later. The video will instantly disappear from the playlist. If it's a custom playlist that you created yourself, you may also see an option to delete playlists from the Playlist Settings menu. Just open the playlist, tap the three dots near the playlist title, and choose Delete Playlist if the option is available. Once confirmed, the playlist and its saved videos list will be removed. And that's it. That's how you can delete or clear playlists on YouTube.